Hi you guys, it's Randy and I'm about to do a Whole Foods haul with all this wonderful food that is behind me. I went to Whole Foods last night. My husband took me to an awesome vegan restaurant for my birthday. And then we went to Whole Foods because duh. So I got some really cool stuff from there. It's not like a humongous my full grocery haul. I mostly get specialty items when I go to Whole Foods anyways, but I just wanted to share with you what I got. So let's do this. So the first thing that I got was avocados. Part of my stove, I need to clean it, but these were 2 for $3, and they're the organic Hass avocados. So they're freaking huge, but I love these for avocado toast and other things. I got my favorite seaweed, which is the Gimme Organic Sea Salt. This is just, I don't know why, I feel like this is one of the best tasting seaweeds. It's just my favorite. So I got 2 packs of that. I also got the Annie's Organic Vegan shell and pasta creamy with shell pasta and creamy sauce. They were on sale 2 for $4, so I got 2. These are gonna be for my kids, and they also have my favorite cereal in a value size bag, so I had to get it. And these are the peanut butter cocoa balls. To me, these are even better than the Reese's ones, which is kind of what they're supposed to mimic. They're freaking delicious. And then I just been on a popcorn kick, but I've been too lazy to make some. So I got the Earth Balance Vegan Buttery Popcorn, just a big old bag. I got my favorite cookies, which are the Lucy Cinnamon Thins. If you've never had these, like, you need to have these. And as you can see, no allergens for my people out here. I just love these cookies. Like, they're super duper good. I could eat them in a day, so I gotta chill. Then I got some Whole Foods salsa. I got the medium salsa just to gauge. I was going to get the hot because that's what my friend Rachel gets, which I will leave her channel link down below. But my God, like this, she talks about this all the time. Like I literally got out of line because I forgot to grab some because it's so good. So I'm going to try the medium, and if it's not too bad, then I'll definitely get the hot because, you know, for some people, medium is not really what they say it is, and I ain't trying to burn my mouth. But I love me some hot stuff. And I also got the Earth Balance Vegan Cheddar Flavor Squares, which is kind of weird because I just ordered these off of Thrive Market, which I will be doing a Thrive Market haul as soon as my stuff comes in. But I couldn't resist. I had to try these. Again, Rachael rants and raves about these and how good they are, which I'll link her channel down below because she does grocery hauls, what I eat in a days, and she really does some really good talk throughs about just veganism and being positive, and I just love her. So yeah, I had to get these. And then I also got these Late July brand organic purple corn chips. I love purple corn chips, even more than regular tortilla chips. I don't know, I just think they're good, or maybe I just like the color, but they're amazing and I love them. All right, then I got some of the bagels from the Whole Foods Bakery. Just some fresh bagels. I love bagels. I like them with peanut butter. I like them with butter. I like them with jelly. I love bagels. So I just hyped to have some. And yeah, I can't wait to eat them. Like, they look so good and huge and fresh. And then I got some Earth Balance butter. Just, again, just a re-up. This is one of my favorite ones to use. I also got some chow cheese so I can make some grilled cheeses. I love this chow sliced cheese. It is not cheap, but it is good as hell. So to me, worth my money. I also got some vegan Caesar dressing because I've been craving a salad, which you'll see in a minute, the salad that I got. I also got this organic cashew yogurt. Eden Jax put me on to this, and I love her so dearly. I never even used to like yogurt before I went vegan, but this is so good, and it's perfect to like sip on for breakfast. So I'll probably just take this to work and keep it in my work fridge and just drink on it for breakfast. Okay, then I have this Silk dairy-free soy creamer. It's just my favorite. I feel like it actually makes my coffee creamy and delicious. And then I got some papaya. I hate that it's wrapped in plastic, so I'm probably have to stop buying it this way, but I just love papaya and lime. Every time I go, I always get a papaya and lime. It's delicious and I love it. And then I got my favorite veggie ground besides the Trader Joe's ground, which is actually super good. These were 2 for $6, so I took advantage and got 2 because I do cook with these a lot, and I've been meaning to make spaghetti. And then I got some No Evil Foods Italian sausages. So I've been meaning to get these. I saw them on Official Gray Music and Chef Nikki in the Mix's Instagram. And they look delicious. So I'm thinking about doing this and like a really meaty, hearty vegan spaghetti. And then last but not least, I just got these Organic Girl Super Greens to make some salads. So yeah, looking forward to using those as well. So you guys, this is my Whole Foods haul. This is everything that I got from Whole Foods. If you've ever tried any of these items, let me know. And most of all, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and come back for more awesome content soon. Bye, you guys.